Tarun here from Minus Gateway. So today we'll be looking at how I keep my mining rigs cool. So sorry about not being able to post videos for a few days. The reason is I have not been well, and my family and my child as well as not keeping well. So I was busy taking care of things there. So stay tuned for the video. I will showcase what are the things that I'm using and how I'm keeping my mining rigs cool during the summer, and how effective it has been so far. So stay tuned for this upcoming video.
Hey guys, Tarun here from Minus Gateway. So today I'll be showing you how I keep my mining rigs cool, right? So in this video we're going to discuss about how what my setup is and how I keep my mining rigs cool, and what are the things that I do to have air flowing through this room constantly. So to begin with, first thing is I have an exhaust fan that I have set up on the front door, where I have made a cutout for it, and it actually sucks in fresh air from outside. Okay, and that actually keeps fresh air from coming outside. That is especially when the door is closed. When the door is open, I leave it open as is. I do not run the exhaust fan, but instead of the exhaust fan, what I do is I run this water cooler actually, which has a storage capacity of 35 liters, and I have to top it up once in 8 hours for this to blow air into the room. So right now it is blowing air to this particular rig, that is the RTX 3080 rig, because of the GDDR6 memory. And this particular rig also has two additional fans dedicated to it. So one is keeping the first five 1660 Ti's and Supers cool. The other one, the smaller one, is dedicated for the RTX 3080 to keep the GDDR6X memory temps below 100 degrees Celsius. And this are all table fans that I have purchased, right? And each of these table fans are blowing air to the 2060 rigs and the 1660 rig. Of course, my LHR card also has a dedicated table fan, which actually is keeping my rigs cool, and it runs during the night at about 50 degrees Celsius. And my 4GB cards have two fans in them. That is because one of the cards runs pretty hot, and all of these have there's a lengthier table fan and a small mini fan that keeps these rigs cool. And if you look at the back, right, there are fans, 120 fans, which are actually sucking air out of these rigs and pushing it backward. So all of my fans, all of my rigs have this setup, right? And what it does is I have kept this exhaust fan here, which actually sucks out all the air, and I keep these windows open when it is not raining, so that there is enough air flowing through this room, and this keeps my mining rigs cool day in day out. Yeah, no doubt. During the day, since it is summer here, I see temperatures of about 72 degrees on just one card. That is a 4GB card from Micron, 4GB card from Inno3D, which is actually mining ton as we speak. That is the first card here that you see, and the rest of the cards are running pretty all right under 60 degrees Celsius. I have replaced the thermal pads and the thermal paste for that card, but still the card seems to be running pretty hot. But I feel the reason being is it's sitting in that corner. There is not enough air circulation. But this room I'm going to remove a few things out of this room, which will actually make some more space for me, and I'll be able to move this card closer to the window, so that will actually keep this mining rig or that particular card a lot more cooler. That's all I have for this video. If you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel, and that will help me in the long run as well, and it will also keep me motivated in creating more contents in the future. And until the next video, guys, you guys take care, stay safe, and I will speak to you guys in the next video. So